Alright guys, so now I'm fueling. It's super cheap here, like in Kentucky. Super cheap. The gas, it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. So right now I'm fueling, and then oh, it's freezing, man. I might go inside and get me a water. I'm freezing. Alright guys, look what happened. Oh my god. Look what happened, y'all. Look at this. It's a trucker. Truck driver. Wow. Yeah, be careful out there, truckers. Yeah, be careful out there, man. I don't know if he was speeding or something, but dang. That's bad. That was really bad. That's why before you go out, before you take that wheel, man, make sure you guys pray, man. I need to pray because you never know what's might happen. Hopefully the driver is okay though. But it's snowing, man. It's starting to snow where I'm at. Starting to snow where I'm at right now. I'm in Kentucky. Yeah, it's windy and snowing. I mean, it's not that bad, but the more I'm driving towards it, I feel like the worse it's gonna get. And if I'm not mistaken, it's raining. But anyway, be alright. You can see, man, it's snowing. Snowing in Kentucky. I mean, like a snowstorm and stuff. Sure. I don't know how bad it is, because I know I'm gonna drive to Illinois, Arkansas before I get to Texas. So I don't know how bad it is, but hopefully it's not that bad. It's not bad in Texas. I checked the weather and it doesn't say nothing about snowing, so Texas should be good. No, I just left Kentucky. Right now I'm in Tennessee. I think after Tennessee it's gonna be Arkansas. Then after Arkansas it's gonna be Texas. So yep guys, we're gonna keep going until we get to Texas. I don't know, I might deliver it today. I'm thinking I might deliver the load today. Not today, I mean, GPS said like 2 in the morning. I know I gotta stop to shower. I have to stop to shower, eat. So I'm gonna say, I don't know. Depending on how I feel. If I feel really, really tired at midnight, I'm gonna stop and then get a nap. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do.